the pound dollar is, for the last 7 weeks, has been sitting or trading between the 159.80, which is a structural point that you all know, and the other reference point, which is the 163, somewhere around the 163, actually somewhere around here, which is the 163 handle. So the pound has been in a range between, let's say, the 159.80 and the 163, so it's within a 300 pip range, and it's been doing that for the last, actually from the beginning, from November of last year. This is where it has been trading. So whether it is dollar weakness or pound strength, it really doesn't matter. But all what we want is we need a break above the 163 before we can actually say 98. All right. So we have closed the week at 162.29, so which is about 80 pips away from the structural point. And if you look at, so it's kind of neutral. You can see the neutrality now of this trading in this range for a while. So it's not particularly exciting. And I want to make sure that there is the structural point, which is, it's the 163 or the 162.98, 97. It's just different with one tick, but that's the prime structural point. So if you look at this, guys, in essence, this is a sell signal. We have now a sell signal to go short the pound. This is not a buy signal. So if I'm trading right now, I will be taking the pound short. That's a dollar buy signal. And I will try to identify a point to sell it. So I will go to the intraday chart. And looking at this, I can see on the final move to the upside, I am looking for a point of a trend reversal. So this pretty much, I have a momentum high and something minute over there of a sell signal around the 162 or the 161.99. So my selling point for the pound is going to be the 161.99. And if I do sell it at 161.99, I'm going to place my stop above the reverse structure, which is going to be the 162.40. My structure long to the upside is the 162.97, which is there from last week. My structure short is the 159.80, again from last week. I'm going to leave them intact. And where will I buy? Well, I will buy it if it gets above the 162.40, which is the high of this day. So my buying point is going to be the 162.40, because I want to make sure that now that is the reverse structure. If I use it as my stop for my short position, then this means it should be the long point if I'm going to take it. If I'm taking a structural point and I'm taking a reversal from a structural point, then that reversal point or that stop that would indicate the reversal of the trend will be my long entry. And therefore, my 62.40, which is my short stop, is now going to be my long entry. And that is the pound dollar. Okay? Any questions on that, guys?